No, man. A light-skinned man and a light-skinned woman live right next to my mother. But they never did like my mother when they are country. But they have a couple of sons. They have one bigger son and one little red-skinned boy. They call him Jeff. The man and the woman get married and then get Jeff. But Christian ain't a real daughter, and Christian for the woman. But Christian is not for the man. And the man's stepdaughter. And they have one little van. Them boss the baba. They have one little van and they have one little house and they have one little big screen TV. And they have current in them yard. They have dog. They feel them boss more around with. But I have to try food with my mother for whatever reason, I don't know why. But me and Christian is friends. She never met because my mother and your mother never really talk. Stop her friendship. She didn't like me and I like her too. So, the mama sells suck and ice cream cake. And people don't know. Back in the time when they get ice cream cake, I mean ice cream cake is sweet. They get this big roll up cake piece with the ice cream. You know, real nice. I couldn't afford to buy it. And mama said it. So she thief it and put in her panty. In the front of her panty and put up her panty and creep on the fence and come look for me. And carry me. And man me tear up the ice cream. Sometimes she thief for rice. Sometimes she thief for flour. And she bring it across the fence so we cook in a milk can. Sometimes bite away she take a rice young and fold the milk can. And it's how we eat it. She tall and brown skin man with pretty hair. Like a model. She named Chrissy. Chrissy was mad cool. You know me at 13. One day Chrissy called me. Over a fence and tell me, sir, me and her go shopping. I said, we go shopping, Chrissy, me not have money. Chrissy said she have some money. And we go shopping. Right? So Chrissy get me and Chrissy gone and we're gonna put and Tony gonna shop. The father can't read. The stepfather can't read. And came good as far as me here. Because some politician money come across, then the girl thief out some. She buy all kind of pretty sitting and buy me socks and buy me kind of sitting. And when she come home, she hide up in the ceiling so they won't see it. Yeah, man. And when we are coming, we stop at one place named Snow Hill. I'm going to put on my mother long skirt, and I want my mother see-through blouse, them see-through blouse. And I just start a bus dress. With no bras here. Feel me a big woman, you know? I go to my friend go shop and I do what I like and dress sexy. One white man, him used to there close by where we used to live. He used to like this black girl, he come from Germany. And the girl must have some Jamaican man left him down there and try to hang himself with rope. And I see him and so I call down the people and call him, everybody come to come save him. But he live in a Snow Hill. You know? And we are like a pretty, but he was nice to me after what happened. So he wanted to give me and Chrissy some clothes and shoes and some up sitting we have. So in the right night bar and he see we a walk past and in call we. And minute I go and Chrissy say, come now we go inside and buy with 2 Pepsi and we drink it 2 Pepsi them. And he have one big house and rent on the tops and he say, come on up. Come have a lot of clothes and stuff, I can't go, no, I don't want. He never that try look because we are look up it, he just was gonna give away the stuff them. Anyway, we tell him so we couldn't take the stuff to him and we never go and we never take the stuff to him, but we take the drink. And we drink the drink and we go home. When we reach up a yard now, next thing me know, I say, Chrissy, 2 brother them come and grab her. And throw her down and tie her with a rope. Then throw down Chrissy in the front yard. And then tie her with a rope to her brother them. And the mama come on and start to murder her with a piece of stick. And then beating the girl, and the stepfather beat the girl too. That time Christy tell me say I used to feel up her breast and squeeze her up and all and what harder than this day. And beat her up, she cried so till. And when her grandfather, Baba died, Baba was used over there and Baba dead. After she cried, say Baba, she cried 24 hours, Christy ball. The man squeezed up the girl breast and I tried molest her and there with the mama. And so she tell me and I go. And when my beat Christy, I couldn't take it anymore, so I jump up on the fence and say if I didn't make me kill Smaddy. If I didn't make my beat, so I kill Smaddy, me tell you. My son can't beat my friend like that, and the mother beat her and then tie up and throw her back her van. And drive her down to the police station. So me and her try to pick up man and not never go so you know. When I carry her gas station, the police them tell us say pull the girl and let the girl go before we lock up the whole of them we carry her down at the station. The police them say listen, me lock up the whole of her, leg of the girl before me lock up the whole of her. And then carry the girl, she was so blues, but and swell up. And I said to myself, I could never make them do that. By the time I stand up on the fence and say I could have never made one of my brother grab me, see, and toss me to the ground, the boy start to beat me with a piece of stick. You hear me tell you? And the boy grab on pan me, you see. And the boy murder me with a piece of stick, me tell you. When me get to me run through the bush, you see. Me run through the bush fast as me can. I was going through that bush. I wasn't thinking about killing nobody. I defend myself like me want for my friend. The kind of lick when me get. When me hear from the shout, then say me wear the 3-2 blouse. And me think me a turn woman. And me go with my friend go and shop. And then I know my friend get money from. And all kind of bang around. My friend still live up there. And me go away. And me couldn't take the beat and abuse from them. My mother gone a foreign. And then me end up, me meet my baby father and me get pregnant. I mean, we are Kingston. I don't got all up me there. I got pregnant in school and take care of my grandmother. I come from England, I was sick. And I don't them there so till my grandmother died and them transfer me back up. And me there above Bay. I mean, one down there alone. And my sister live a Bible close by. And I saw me down there by Windsor Castle there. Me left and end up down there so. And me there above Bay Hospital when Christy come look for me. When Christy come look for me pregnant, me 9 months pregnant, I have my son. And Christy come look for me. She can't tell me so she got town. She'll go on a trip but she'll come back. Me have one gold watch for me hand. When my grandfather give me. And she said she want borrow it because I was in the hospital. And me take it off and lend her. And she said, alright then, come I go have the baby and so and she will see me and she walk off. And me I tell her, say 2 days later. 2 days later now, because I don't have baby, me tell you now. Was going in there, but 2 days later, me have baby. I go 3 days later. Me out of the hospital and reach home, look, me see my brother Walker come. He must say to me, say, me not hear what happened, I say, no. He must say, Chrissy gone to town, you know. And one boy tried to touch her up in front of the place where she live at the building, because her auntie's a police. And the boy tried to touch her up and she said, hey boy, kiss me ass. Because she used to be fierce, she's a pretty girl. The boy go for a pump price for gun, you know, pump price for gun and come back, you know. And shoot out my friend brain, you know. Me so what and she meet one girl and she just make friend with the girl and the girl have a baby, you know. And she have the baby now and I play with the girl baby and the boy come with the gun, you know. And the boy just shoot out her brain, you know. When she drop her ground and start to flatter, you know. Chrissy hold the baby tight, me tell you, you know. And Chrissy flatter and just dead. The whole of Chrissy head blow off. Her mother couldn't believe. They have to take some of her ear and send her brown people to go show her mother so she really dead. Then it come on the news. Natasha Taylor was shot and killed. Natasha Taylor was shot and killed. Then killed my friend. She was 14, almost 15 years old. And killed my friend. My friend head mashed up in her face for bury. And she was 14. And that's how I lose my best friend. That's how I lose my best friend. Mr. Dreamer, I'm not dreamer no more. But I know one day I get to meet her again. It's a sad story. When me feel like I want to cry. Because I love her so much. She's such a sweetheart and she's such a sharing and a caring person. She's very sharing. She teeth her mother ice cream in her panty. How can I forget Chrissy? I love you, Chrissy. Rest in peace, my friend. Me love you bad. Me love you bad. Me love you bad. So I never live to come see these ears and see me get old. Anton, I love you. Yeah.